Assalamualaikum dan salam Ramadan to Prof. Masila. My name is Amni Shazana and I will explain about question 1 for assignment requirement elicitation. First of all, we choose scenario 3 for assignment 1 and we name our application as a travel safety application. So for the question 1, we use interview and survey technique to elicit the requirement. Okay, what is travel safety application for? During this pandemic COVID-19, this system is designed to assist tourists to obtaining information from this system by providing information on which location are crowded that the user desires. Tourists may also file a complaint about the location that does not adhere the SOP. Okay, this is our non-functional requirement. Okay, basically the system will run and available for 24/7 and our system will link to MySejahtera to get amount of the tourists in a place in every 30-minute range. So based on that, the system will recognize the level of the crowdedness at the certain place. And when the user want to file a complaint, the report will directly send to the police to take the further action. And also the software should be portable and it can be downloaded on any operating system. Okay, and also the system will have a privacy of information because they will share their location with us. Okay, for our functional requirement, user need to decide and choose the location they need to go. So based on that search, they will see the level of the crowdedness of the place, and there is a features that our application provide. The user can get a reminder notification about the SOP from time to time, and the other features that we provide is the user can report if the place not following the SOP. Okay, the survey technique, we provide the questionnaire for tourists and the police. So for the questionnaire, for the first questionnaire for tourists, what we get from that is for the first question, we get a 39 respondent that agree that they think it is important to know the place you want to that they want to go is loaded with people or not. Next, because of our application, we'll track the location that they want to know. So the user need to share the location to the application, and there is a 34 respondent that agree with that features. And other than that, the another features is to get the reminder notification about the SOP from time to time. So there is a 38 respondent that agree with that features. And we also ask a question, if they see a place or people that are not following the SOP, how would they react to the situation? So based on the question, there is a 29 respondent that choose to report to the authorities such as the police, and there is a few respondent that said they will ignore and look away to the situation. Okay, and the next is there is a 38 respondent that agree that to the features that we provide that allow the user to report the wrongdoings to the authorities. And the last question for the tourists is, we ask if we link our system with MySejahtera to track the level of the crowdedness. They agree or not, and mostly agree with that suggestion that we asked. Okay, next, the questionnaire for the police. This is the details that we get from them, which is their name, their rank or title, and which department they work. Okay, and this is one of the questions that we ask. Did they agree if we provide the features that allow the tourists to report the people or place which are not following the SOP? So basically they are agree with that features. And next we ask if the features is really helpful for them, and they also agree with our features that we provide. And the last one is we ask whether the report should be in form of email, or the user can call directly to them. And half of them agree with email, and half of them agree with the call. So we decide to put both of the features, which the user can directly call, or the user can write a report, and we will email the report to the police.
Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Nur Hazira Mutiagiman, and I will proceed to question 2, which is to model the functional requirements with use cases and activity diagram, then create a prototype model for each of the functional requirements. So this is our use case diagram. Our use case diagram include a primary actor and 2 secondary actor. Our primary actor is the tourist, and our secondary actors are MySejahtera and police. The reason of MySejahtera is one of our secondary actor because somehow our application need to link to MySejahtera to get the data from the application into our application. For the police, our application will send the data to the police, and the police will take further action to the data. Firstly, tourists need to log in into our application in order to get inside the application. So after login, our system will try to verify the password, either it is matched with the password kept in the system or not. If not matched, our application will pop out a display login error. And then for the first time user, they need to set up the profile and fill in the form of their privacy information, and our application will show back to them for the confirmation. After login into the application, the user need to allow to check in location for sharing to the system. As they sharing the location to the system will get their current location and show to them inside the application. And then the tourists may search the location they want to go, and then under the search location, our application will display the location with the density of the people in that certain place. Okay, user also can report a complaint about the SOP, the people or a place that did not follow the SOP, by making a call or report a form. The report will directly we send to the police. And also in our application, we will provide a reminder notification to the user to every day to remind to the user, to the tourists who use our application about the SOP, and try to follow the SOP every day. This is our activity diagram. It is the flow is same like the use case diagram. the first user need to log in, and inside the application they can make a report and they can search location where they want to go, they want to travel. And after making report, they can submit the report by fill up the form or making call directly to the police. And when such location, our application will show the density level of people inside a specific place, and then they may log out or not. So that is our activity diagram, and these are all our prototype interface. This is how our first main page before the user log in into the application. They need to choose either to sign up or to log in, and this is the sign up form. If the user is the first time user, they need to fill in the form and choose and sign up. And then after sign up, they need to log in, and if not the first time user, they will also directly to the login page here. And after log into the application, this is our home page, where the application will show the tourists' current locations, and they can search here the location they wanted to go. And this is the image of when people click on the location, our application will show how many people, the level of people in that place. Either they can predict wanted to go there or not, and for their safety, they can look into each place about the amount of people there. And then for the report page, they can directly enter to call the police here, or they can fill in the form and then submit, and then the application will pop out again another confirmation to submit or to cancel. And this next is the profile page, where all of the users information kept here for the application for the requirements action. And this is how the notification about the SOP will look like. Okay, I think that is all from us. So thank you, and travel safely, because your safety is your priority.